Good afternoon, everyone. Um, we are into the Alumni Talk, and we are having Vishal with us. Hey, Vishal.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Vishal. Great. Uh, so nice to see you, Vishal, at this Alumni Talk, and really grateful that you have given time to us for this session. Vishal, quick introduction about yourself to the audience.
So my name is Vishal. Basically, I'm from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I'm staying in Bangalore since last 4 years, and I did after graduation. I did my certification course from DataMites. So there I learned about things related to machine learning, data science, and Python also. And then I worked on their client projects also with Rubix, and they helped me during my like when I pursued course with the DataMites, like basic things. Then they also helped me to find the job. So after that, like I joined new organization there as a data science. There I worked on like projects related to educational background, and then I use there like NLP and machine learning concept there. After that, I switched my job in uh, Vimera system. I have joined as a data scientist. There also I worked on projects related to manufacturing background. So and there I have used like deep learning concept, machine learning, and Python and other. So and recently I joined Quantiphi as a senior machine learning engineer. So yeah, that's all about me. And if I talk about my educational background, I'm currently also pursuing my master's from IIT Patna and a specialization of artificial intelligence and data science.
Great to know about that, Vishal. And Vishal, when did you graduate, basically?
Sorry?
When did you graduate?
Yeah, I graduated in 2019 from Rajasthan Technical University.
All right. So after that, in which stream you graduated, basically?
Computer science and engineering.
Or you were in computer science
Yeah.
engineering. And you joined DataMites for data science training, right?
Yes.
Immediately after. So I think it was probably like 2019-20.
2021 like that.
Okay. So since I have a question, I used to ask this often, like you already were from computer science. What provoked you to go for data science basically? Because you might have chosen a developer role or anything else, but why it was in your mind that kind of time?
Actually, that point of time, like pandemic period is going on, so I don't have any idea about data science to be honest. But one of my friend was in Bangalore. He's staying in Bangalore only, so he knew what's going in like latest trending in IT field. So randomly we talk on one of the evening, and he told like data science is trending
Booming
nowadays.
in the market, yeah.
Yeah, and since he's from Bangalore only, so he is searching the institutes. So he visited like data mites, and on the behalf of us, he talked only. So we all joined together there. So they somehow they dropped, but I continued that
Mhm.
course.
All right.
Yes.
That's perfectly fine. So eventually, but one thing for sure, your computer science must have helped you in learning data science because technically data science, math, stats, and programming. So you were much. Asha, one question. At that point of time, were you versed with Python already?
No, no. I learned Python after joining the course. So initially I don't have interest to work in IT. I have another plans. So, but the it's not happened when we what we thought. It's like
Yeah.
God's plan. So I decided to do this course, and I always follow the passions, like which field I have interested. So I reason behind this selecting the computer science background because I have interest in computer. And then when my friends talk with me like this field is going trending, So I research about that this field, what is data science and what is these things like. So I research and I got interested. Like okay, this is the interested field. Uh, so this is the time where I decided like I should go with this course.
Yeah, that's actually totally understandable. And I remember during the pandemic time also,
Yeah,
data science actually was there. I mean, still here, but yeah, of course, not in terms of AI and all those things, but data science as a data science. So
yeah,
currently, you work as a senior ML engineer, right?
yeah.
What's your day-to-day life?
I recently joined, so like 1 week ago. So
It's okay, but I mean to say that I mean prior to that also used to work in machine learning, right?
yeah.
So what is the day-to-day life of a machine learning engineer?
So first we if I talk about like how to like handle the projects, so first we understand the business problem. Okay, and how what is the data which we have look like,
Mm,
and what is our aim. So
mm.
we need to work on these things like we have to prepare the data according to achieve our goal. So for that we perform some basic EDA and these things, and then like there are so many steps to.
So the question is that as you said that we perform EDA means this EDA is actually being used, right? It's not like for the it's not like for the sake of writing in the paper. It is actually being used. You're properly doing all the data explorations and then we move ahead, right?
Yeah,
Because why I'm asking this, because this thing I used to tell to my candidate that we need to spend more and more time. Don't rush for the modeling. You need to understand the data and business first, and eventually we can move on smoothly. This is right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, thank you. So basically, it's all about doing the exploration. What kind of tools is being used?
Sorry.
What kind of tools is being used in the industry?
So Python library and like NumPy pandas and like coding tools like VS Code, and talk about like Excel is more important for initial stage like uh,
Mhm.
and like Jupyter Notebook this, and machine learning scikit library, and for visualization matplotlib seaborn, and talking about like deep learning tensorflow pytorch,
Okay,
and
so like
is
all the libraries of Python, right? Like whatever we are talking about. Apart from using Python, is there any specific tool that is being used?
hello.
Yeah, Vishal, I'm
Can
audible.
yeah, yeah, can you come again?
I just said that apart from Python, is there any specific other tool? Python, Excel, if you leave it, then is there any other tool that we use in day-to-day life?
Actually your voice is little bit low, I can't hear you properly.
Is it?
Maybe from my
So,
side network is low, bit low.
team, can you please confirm if my voice is not clear? All right. All right, let me know. If I'm audible now.
Yeah,
All right, I think it is. Am I clear now? Vishal, just let me know.
yeah, yeah.
So I just said that apart from Python and Excel, is there any other tools that we use?
Yeah, Power BI tools I have used, like Tableau I have basic knowledge for visualization, and so mostly I have used this kind of tools only.
All right. Uh, Same since you said Power BI and Tableau. I mean, I know that these are the major weapons for the data analyst people. So
Yeah,
a data scientist should also know this.
Yeah, some projects we need to understand the data like relationship between a target variable or like other variables. So for that also sometimes we need to this kind of tools also. It's depend on project to project.
Depends upon project to project. It's so you. All right, Vishal, thank you. Uh, Vishal, so this is your technically third company, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So now, since you are a senior machine learning engineer going forward, how do you write your resume? What's the main factor, main point that you keep in your mind while writing your resume?
So initial days, like I did so many mistakes.
Hmm.
Uh, I want like my resume shortlisted in every company. So what I did, like I put all the skill sets, which
Yeah.
I don't know. So this is the major mistake I did. So what, like if interviewer is taking interview that time, suppose I write Flask API, but I don't know.
Hmm.
So he will ask like on the demand if we they needed like okay,
Hmm.
we know we need a candidate who know Python how to write API. So they will ask question from them only. So this is the
Hmm.
major mistake I did. So after that, what I did, like I remove all the unnecessary key skill set and just kept those skill sets which I am 100% sure, so
Hmm.
that they can ask the question from them and I am able to give the answers.
Okay. That is absolutely correct. Because what you write in your resume, you
Yeah.
are going to get more questions from it because they think that you are an expertise in that.
One more thing, like people are using like photos and other stuff for writing the resume, but nowadays it's like quite old to from my point of view work,
Mhm.
because mainly recruiter like focusing on skill sets and experience which we have, not like fancy kind of resume. So resume is simple. So
Correct. Um, Vishal, since you are at senior position, I wonder, I mean, you must have taken a lot of interviews as well, right?
yeah.
I need to ask what questions you ask because there are freshers who ask me what kind of questions are being asked in data science role. I too ask questions for my people. I just want to know from you what kind of general things that you see in a candidate.
So first I'll explain what I gone through. Then
Okay,
on basis of that, I'm asking out to. So
sure.
I remember first interview DataMites like arranged me for me. So there I did one mistakes. So I don't know the basic of Python that point of time. People are saying like,
Okay.
okay, we know the data science concept, Python libraries, but common mistake is like we should know how to write a program like for loop, while
Hmm.
loop, basic structure like string, tuple. So that time I did that mistake. So that person suggest me first you should know this basic concept. Okay, then they will ask like other things like related to data science and all. So this is the one mistake. Second thing, like logical thinking. Suppose it's not like reasoning kind of like question they can ask like related to share market. So they will check our logical reasoning, like how logically we are uh, good or not. So these two things I have noticed during when I give the interviews. And so when I took the interviews, I followed the same thing. Like I just asked, like write a Python script to reverse the strings, or
Correct.
like other things like add the element in the list. So if I give the question like that, like if write a program to add or merge the like extend to list, so they should know the how for loop will go, or they can directly like use the list method. So
Mhm.
basic things they should know. That is the only like suggestion I will give to freshers. Basics should be
Yeah,
clear.
that is absolutely correct. Yeah, that is absolutely correct. If your basics are not really at the point, then there is no point. And I had one interview, just my personal experience, where I had a candidate, and all sort of things were written. You can imagine, from Gen AI to agentic AI to MCP, whatever the latest trend, the whole resume was there inside. When I started asking questions regarding transformers and all the LLM based, she had an answer that I know how to talk. I say, how do you know how to talk? I can give a good prompt. All right, good prompting is very, very good. But I asked, did you even understand the mathematics behind? Do you even
Yes.
understand the RHFL or in anything that works under ChatGPT? The answer was no. So the more I try to dig into the mathematical part, the intuitive part about the LLM, the answer is absolutely no. So they think that if you can, and nowadays I'm talking about, it's all about writing the prompts and getting up the result. And if it is getting, and of course, we have a prompt engineer kind of
Yes.
role also. But quick suggestion to everyone, prompting is very good. Of course, you should know, but it does not mean you don't know the back end of it. You should know the baseline. Then we can talk about prompts and everything. So the kind of similar thing what Vishal has said, your basic has to be at the par, and then we can talk about all the automated thing that we do on top of it.
I also want to add one more thing in that. So people are using nowadays ChatGPT frequently.
Mm,
So they are not like thinking like suppose I give one program like prime number. So
mm,
they just write ChatGPT write a Python script for prime number. If
mm,
that is not 100% accurate, they are not even trying to fix that bug. Like we can debug that code and understand the mathematics.
exactly.
They, instead of that, they continuously like okay, I'm not getting output, I need a prime
Put
number.
back into ChatGPT and
Yeah,
ask. Yeah.
they are not using their brain. So
All right. Yeah, that is absolutely true, and for that, it really requires us to be a little bit more up to us in terms of what exactly we are doing, not completely relying on AI. We need to take AI as a helper, but
yeah,
rather
correct.
than taking it to be an helper, we think that this is my life. So this is not your life. That's one of a help that you can be taking from. Vishal, that was a great talking with you. One last question from my side. I think we are having one question from the YouTube. Corey has asked, can you give some most important topics for freshers
Okay, related to.
in the data science, machine learning?
Okay, okay. So first thing, like what I observed with respect to coding things, you should know string basic method like upper, lower, because and like strip, like basic string method,
All the
list,
string method,
yeah,
data structures.
list, set, tuple, dictionary, and function. How to write function, how to call function,
Mm,
and like if I go a little bit advanced, then lambda function and list comprehension method, these things, and file handling concept.
yeah,
That's it. For
correct.
if I talk about coding for fresher,
Yeah.
and talking about machine learning, so all the like mathematics and statistics behind that, and if we handle one if we worked on a project, so we should know all about the thing behind like what I have we have used.
Yeah.
So they will ask on that only. If I like suggest like if interview is taking 30 minutes interview, then first 5 minutes they will ask basic introduction,
Mhm.
and then they will ask question about to our projects. So 10
Correct.
minutes they will take, 10 to 15 minutes. Then they will ask what they need, 5 to 6 minutes. Then
Mm,
last 10 minutes they will ask question from coding, which I give the topic like here. So
mm.
this is the like
Workflow
30
of
minutes.
any interview.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is correct. That's a complete workflow. First, they try to see what you know. Then they try to ask what they are expecting. Uh, Rajkumar has a question: in which company you got placed?
Currently in Quantiphi.
Okay, that's great, Vishal. Uh, Great talking to you, Vishal. I have one final question from my side. What is the future of AI next 5 years?
Currently, agentic AI and these things is trending. But after that, I don't know.
I mean to say that this is actually a very good answer that after that, I don't know. Because if I would have said the same thing in 2020, nobody would have got that in 2025 agentic AI and all
Yeah,
these frameworks are there. All would have been talking about, the core concepts and everything. But to be very honest, we don't know in the next 5 years which new technology is going to pop up and it's going to solve what kind of business
yeah.
questions. All right, team, do we have more questions? Oh, Tawfiq is here. How many mock interviews completed by you in
Mock interviews, like I gave
data
interviews
mites?
for DataMites, two.
Hmm. Two mock interviews it took for you. Yeah. See, Tawfiq, it requires at least two.
First interview went wrong, like bad. Then I worked on that. One more thing, like I want to add, if you not selected, that doesn't mean sometimes they find better candidate. That's is my personal experience. I give lot of
Yeah.
interview. Uh, if my interview gone bad, so I know like okay, I need to work on these topics. If I answers all, so I analysis, and if I realize like I give correct answer, so don't disappointed. Like maybe they find someone better. So
That is correct.
keep working on ourselves.
Yeah, that's correct. All right, Vishal, I think we don't have any more questions. So, all right. So that's really wonderful having chat with you, Vishal, and I hope our audience has got a lot of understanding about how what kind of questions are being asked in the interview and where really they are supposed to focus. And also very thank you for letting us know what is the day-to-day job of a machine learning engineer. Thank you so much, Vishal.
Thank you.
All right, team. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Ending of the call. We'll meet in the next